Most solopreneurs are still treating AI like a fancy search engine, but a small group of elite founders, they're treating it like a global workforce. They aren't working 80-hour weeks. In fact, they're working significantly less than they did 5 years ago, while making 10 times more. I spent the last 6 months analyzing the inner tech stacks of 50 seven-figure solopreneurs. My goal was simple: identify the exact infrastructure they use to scale to millions without hiring a single full-time employee. What I discovered wasn't just a list of apps. It was a blueprint for wealth creation in 2026. Today, I'm revealing the 10 specific AI tools that redefine productivity. We're talking autonomous agents that handle your lead gen and systems that execute your entire content strategy while you sleep. If you want to scale your revenue without scaling your stress, this is the only stack you need. Here is the hard truth. Most people are using AI completely wrong. They treat it like a fancy search engine or a ghostwriter for boring emails. That isn't a business strategy. That's a toy. While you're spending 3 hours tweaking a prompt to get the perfect tone, the elite solopreneur has already automated the entire lead generation funnel. They aren't prompting their way to success. They are building autonomous systems that work while they sleep. If you're still manually moving data between spreadsheets, chasing invoices, or spending your Sundays scheduling social media posts, you are the bottleneck of your own business. You're trapped in the efficiency paradox. You use AI to save an hour, then you immediately fill that hour with more manual labor. You aren't building an asset, you're just running faster on a treadmill. In 2026, the gap is widening. It's no longer a divide between those who use AI and those who don't. It's the divide between the AI users and the AI architects. If you keep playing the productivity game by just doing things faster, you'll never actually scale. You'll just be a faster version of a burnt-out employee. The secret isn't better prompts. It's a better stack. Here is the secret. The seven-figure solopreneurs of 2026 have stopped prompting. They've started architecting. They don't use AI as a chatbot. They use it as a workforce. To scale to millions without a single employee, you need a tech stack that doesn't just assist you, it executes for you. Let's break down the 10 tools redefining wealth creation right now. First, the core brain. By 2026, ChatGPT and Claude aren't just writing emails. They are autonomous reasoning engines. Elite founders use them to build entire business strategies, then export those strategies directly into their execution tools. Next, the glue, make.com. This is non-negotiable. If your tools aren't talking to each other, you're just a glorified data entry clerk. Make.com allows you to connect your AI brain to your CRM, your email, and your payment processor. It turns a manual process into a hands-off machine. For growth, they use Jasper AI. In 2026, generic AI content is invisible. Jasper allows solopreneurs to feed in their unique brand voice and generate hyper-personalized campaigns across 10 platforms in seconds. It's not about quantity, it's about precision at scale. Then the Knowledge Hub, Notion AI. Your business is only as good as your data. Notion AI acts as the company wiki. It indexes every meeting, every idea, and every client detail, making your entire business searchable and actionable in real time. Now let's hit the specialized agents. Tool 5, AI Lead Gen Agents. They don't just scrape lists, they research prospects and write personalized outreach that actually converts. Tool 6, Autonomous Financial Ops. AI that handles bookkeeping, tax optimization, and cash flow forecasting in the background. Tool 7, AI Customer Concierges. Forget basic chatbots. These are high EQ agents that resolve 90% of tickets and upsell clients while you sleep. Tool 8, Real-Time Market Intelligence. Tools like Perplexity's evolved versions that monitor competitor pivots the second they happen. Tool 9, Generative Brand Suites. Using Midjourney and Gen 3 to create studio-quality visuals without a creative agency. And finally, Tool 10, the AI Orchestrator. an agent that manages your energy, not just your time. It schedules your deep work and pushes low-value tasks to your other AI agents. That is the stack. You aren't competing against other people anymore. You're competing against people who have built a digital army. The question is, are you the general or are you still doing the grunt work? Now, here is the secret. The founders I studied don't just use these tools, they connect them. That's where Make.com comes in. It's the glue. It turns a manual 10-hour workday into a 10-minute check-in. Combine that with Jasper AI for high conversion scaling and Notion AI to manage your entire business brain in one place. The result? 0 employees, total autonomy, and a profit margin that's virtually untouchable. If you want the exact blueprints these 7-figure solopreneurs are using, I've linked my recommended stack in the description. Grab Make, Jasper, and Notion using those links to get started. Stop trading time for money. Start building a system. Click the link below and automate your growth today.